An integration math we are going to do. To do this math, let five minus 7x equals u. After differentiation in both sides, we are getting 0 minus 7 dx equals du. Again, dx equals minus 1 by 7 du. Now integration e to the power 5 minus 7x dx equals, now we can write integration e to the power u minus 1 divided by 7 du equals integration, we will take minus 1 divided by 7 in front of the integration sign, and integration e to the power u du. So according to the rule, now we can write e to the power u plus c equals minus 1 divided by 7 e to the power 5 minus 7x plus c. This is the answer.